Hi you guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and yes, I am still working through my stash. I left off last time going through what I consider occasions, and I told you that we were now going to move on to baby, kids, family, that kind of thing. And so I have pulled some of the stuff out. Looking at it, I think I might have some more stuff tucked away, you know, which is why I'm doing this, because I have pockets of stuff everywhere. It's time to get it where I can find it. So what I have on top of my desk right now, I have basically baby, quite a bit of it. And well, I have no children of my own. I have a number of nephews and nieces, and I have not documented everything from them as of yet. I have what I'm calling kids, young adults, so not baby, basically. And then I've got home, family, that kind of thing. And I think I'm going to leave that section for last. I'm going to do the babies first. I don't know if I want to necessarily split this by boy or girl, or if I want to leave them in the kits that they are. But they are definitely going to be going in my closet and hung up in bags. So I might do it by color scheme. Kind of have the blues and the pinks, which is kind of gender anyways. And then certain collections that I've got, like Minte Kitty line, I would probably keep by itself. And then I have some of this Authentique and Prima that kind of have a vintage flair to them. I will probably keep those in its own bag as well. So let me get putting this together in some sort of order, and I'll come back and show you what I came up with. Let's start with these. These are like super thin papers. They are from Creating Keepsakes from 2005, Sandy Lion Sticker Designs. These were printed in Canada. And I don't not like them. The thing is, though, it is now 2022 and I still have not used them. So I think I'm going to let them go. I also have the equivalent in the pink line. So I'm going to let all of these go. These are also thin. And I don't have a name on these. I actually got these in a warehouse box. And it's cute. And I could totally see doing like a little mini book out of this, a little mini album with this paper. It is thin, but look at how cute it is. So I think that's what I'm going to do with it, is I'm going to make this a project and just use it. I'm going to make a mini album or a little mini book and get this used up. This is going to go in my Raskog project cart. At least that's what it's turning into now. I surprisingly don't have a ton of female or girl pattern paper and stuff. I'm quite surprised, actually, unless I put it somewhere and I'm not seeing it. I do have, like I said, these two collections, these two kind of vintage collections. I put them in one package. I specifically bought these to document my baby pictures. Now my baby pictures are terrible. Like, they're not good quality, they're scanned, but they're all I have. So I am definitely holding on to these. And these are just plain adorable. If you haven't seen these yet, these are from Minte, and they're just so stinking cute. I can't even handle it. Like, I don't even know what I would do with this in a scrapbook, but to be honest, it's so super cute. Like, I just like to look at it. If I had kids, I probably would frame this and put this up in their rooms. Like, look it. It's so cute. I'm a sucker. That's all I can say. I'm a sucker for adorable paper. And this is great quality paper. Like, it's a nice thickness. But look at these. Look at these cut aparts. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm not getting rid of these, but I'm going to put them in the same bag as the vintage ones. So I've got a sticker sheet. This is from Cardstock 2016. Hold on to that. I've got some scraps. Now normally I would say, because I have I would normally get rid of this, but because I have so little, oh, you guys, I don't know. I was thinking I was going to keep it, but you know what? I think I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to keep this sheet, but I'm going to move this into my main stash. I don't really care for this, so I'm going to purge that. I've got 2 sheets, it looks like. Oh, it's cover sheet. And we're going to get rid of this one too. So this is all getting purged. I still have quite a few stickers left, so we'll hold on to that. Same with this one. Now this has a little bit more of a vintage flair to it. It's Baby Mine by Cardstock from 2014. I think I'm going to actually add this to this vintage collection. I've got a Doodlebug Sugar and Spice. It's okay. The orange is perfectly usable, so that's going to go in my orange section. Simple Stories, Oh Baby, Expecting by the Months. I'm going to keep it for this pinky plaid. That's going to go in my stash. I am going to get rid of these scraps. Yep, we're going to get rid of all of them. Not going to hang on to them. Time to let them go. All of it. Sticker sheet, and then we have one other little collection here. Let's see what this is. So some cut-aparts, generation, what do you call it, like a family tree? Some words, dots, stripes, very usable, very similar in feel to that other pink stuff that I got rid of, only this is cardstock as opposed to paper. So I'm going to hold on to this, and because I have so little pink themed, I think this is just all going to go in the one bag and call it done. So one bag and hang in my closet, and we're just going to call it Baby Girl. Let's move on to Baby Boy. Okay, let's start with the loose stuff. We have this collection from Doodlebug. I actually don't mind this print, but the yellow is also very usable. I'm thinking because I have enough Baby Boy stuff, we'll move this into yellow. I love this paper. It's from Little Adventure 07. I'm not usually a big balloon person, but I think this would be a really cute paper to use for a baby boy. The other side is a stripe. I could see me using both together. I also threw in here Little Adventure with these whales and the waves. I could see me using these together, so I'm going to keep them together. Here's that generation chart. I'm going to hold on to that. We've got a sticker sheet. This is from Hello Baby. We've got a multicolored, a triangle. The back side of that is this cut apart, which is cute. I think we'll do that. This star is really cute. Cut aparts are okay. And I like the little cloud and moon paper, so definitely we'll keep those together. Okay, now let's look at this collection, Bundle of Joy from Echo Park 2013. So we got the sticker sheet, another sticker sheet. Now there's not much left on this one that's baby oriented, so I'm actually going to stick this with the embellishments. I will cut out the alphas and move these to a specific sheet, so that's going to go with embellishments. I'm running out of space. Let's see what we got here. That's cute. We've got some scraps, which we're going to get rid of. I'm going to keep this stripe because you guys all know how much I love a stripe. Normally, like I said, I would get rid of these smaller pieces, but I don't mind this collection, so I'm going to hold on to them. Yeah. Okay, what about the cut aparts? Yeah, we'll hold on to those too. And then we've got a couple of fuller sheets. Actually, you guys, I lied. Because I have this already, I'm going to move this to scraps. I have a full sheet of the stripes, so I'm going to move this to scraps. I have a full sheet of the chevron, so we'll move this to scraps. What else we got here? that one. We'll get this. So the only one that I don't have anything of represented is the little bunting and the green. So I will hold on to that. And I think we will call this one good. And this will go to my scrap bin and I'll sort out what to do with that later. Okay, Hello Baby 2019. The cut aparts. Yeah, no, I'm gonna purge that one. We've got the little mobile. I like the stripe. Guys, you guys. I thought I didn't have this, but look at, this is the same one I looked at earlier. How do I miss that? That's what I would like to know. How do I miss that? Okay, so I was keeping these sheets earlier. I didn't have the stripe, so now we do have the stripe. I already have this piece, but what's the other side is the diamond, or the triangle, so that's good. I'll keep that. Kind of a wood grain stripe, which is cute. Okay, this cut apart. Oh yeah, I like that. I can always use two of those. The little sleeper's cute, but the plaid's better. Keep. And then we've got this sheet with the icon. I actually don't mind this one either, so we'll hold on to that. Cut aparts or the stars. I like the stars. And then the back side of this is a green, so definitely we'll keep that. Oh yeah. And then the little pins or the dot. The pins are cute, right? Little diaper pins. Of course, nobody uses those nowadays anymore, it seems like. And then we got the little icon animals, which are kind of cute. And the trees. So I'll hold on to that too. Okay, so only one paper am I getting rid of. And then the last one is Rockabye Baby. Also, well, it's from Cardstock from 2017. Okay, love the grid. Two of those sheets. Started cutting stuff out of here. I like the plaid. And it's almost a full sheet, so we'll keep that. So this is so funny how a piece of paper can like bring back like a ton of memories. So I grew up in a small town just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. And Edmonton had a zoo, and growing up it was called the Storyland Valley Zoo. And it had like Humpty Dumpty on the wall, and it had like the old McDonald farm. So I'm totally going to do a story about that. I'm going to pull that one out. And then the back side of that is this really pretty blue plaid. So of course you know I'm going to keep that. Blue is my favorite color. Got the icons, or like this teal color. Stripe. You know what's happening, right? Like, I'm not going to end up keeping any of the baby papers, in which case this is all going to go in my stash. Stripe, and then even this is pretty. And then even the stars. So you know what, you guys? I am not keeping this at all for the baby line, because I prefer the other sides. So we'll keep the stickers, but this is all going in my stash. So that is it for the baby section of this bigger category of baby, kids, family. And I think this is where I'm going to leave off for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And until next time, happy organizing.